Katie Nicholson is in Toronto, where Ontario reported 1,210 new cases of COVID-19 today, and the Premier warned some tough new restrictions are on their way. So, Katie, that announcement is coming tomorrow. What's the mood tonight?
Well, Adrienne, here in Ontario, it feels like much of the province is holding its breath in anticipation of what's to come, and many are bracing for the worst.
Christmas is coming, and so are more restrictions. And for small retailers who depend on seasonal sales, it's going over like a lump of coal.
It's really, really scary.
Sam Carre is now trying to put her entire store inventory online ahead of the holiday rush and another possible lockdown.
It was so time consuming. It was a lot of work.
Tomorrow, our government will release further public health restrictions based on the best medical advice. And as it's looking, these measures, they will have to be tough.
The province is on the cusp of a critical threshold. Nearly 150 people with COVID-19 are in intensive care tonight. The province says if it spills over, it could threaten its ability to maintain adequate critical care services. ICU staff are already feeling the pressure.
The teams are tired. And people are stressed.
In COVID hotspots like Peel Region west of Toronto, tacit understanding things need to change.
Some sort of pause is needed to at least reduce interactions and bring our case numbers down.
Whatever that pause entails, the province is signaling it won't include school closures.
The safest place for our children right now are actually in the schools.
That leaves retailers like Carre feeling even more vulnerable.
I need to be here to be able to make my business survive.
I'm actually worried about you because of everything that's going on. So treats for your staff.
A reminder, no matter what tomorrow brings, we're all in this together.
So, Katie, the Premier Doug Ford called out the rule breakers today. What is the province actually doing about that, though?
It is stepping up enforcement, sending about 200 inspectors out into the community to crack down on what it calls bad actors.
Okay, Katie Nicholson at Queen's Park. Thanks, Katie.